Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, we're going to be looking at unboxing the AER wired headset from NZXT. So this is the new one that they've just released. And yeah, let's get stuck straight into it. This is an unboxing video. It's not a full review, so just be aware of that. If you do want to see the full review, it will be on the TechWizTime channel, which I'll link down in the description below and also in the comments section. And you'll be able to see all the unboxings that I've done for this range, including the stand and the mixer. So just be aware of that going forth. And like I said, this is a one take channel, so I don't cut out any stuff ups or anything like that, or if I look at the camera above and look at the camera below, you're gonna see this before I do. Ooh, swanky. Okay, let's put that one there. Okay, so you've got a plastic cover to protect the headset itself. I'm just gonna pull that to the side for the second. Looks like no cables are attached, which is nice. Not even the boom headset, boom mic is connected, which is great. That's the shell there. You've also got, what else is in the box? This is the NZXT support card. So all the information you'll need about that there. And looks like the goodies, excuse me, are underneath here. You'll see it's there. That'll all fall out. Okay, so the obligatory silica gel, awesome. You've got here, oh, I always love the feeling of these plastic bags. I don't know, I like it. So this is a USB to 3.5mm jack. Not sure what that one's for yet, but I will soon. Let's have a look. What else have we got? We've got, okay, so this will be an inline volume controller and on and off. So that's cool. What else have we got? Looks like this is the actual mic itself. Oh, that's nice. That's bendable there. Just your 3.5mm connection there, and you can bend it to whichever direction you need to be closer or further away from your mouth. That's really cool. I like that. It's a rubberized, I thought I'd mention that as well. Excuse me. It's a rubberized feeling there. The end is obviously plastic, but it does give you that, yeah, rubberized feel, which is nice. Then, what's this one? So we've got a splitter for your headphone and mic. So that way, you can have them as separate channels, especially if your motherboard needs it that way. So I'll throw this back in there just so it's a little bit tidier. Pull back the actual headset itself and show you that. So there we go there. Let's have a look. It doesn't have which ear is which, left or right. So there is an NZXT badge on both sides. Actually, I can see it in there. So just on the inside in there is a little R, and inside there is L. So if I put these on, they cover the ears, which is good. They don't feel too uncomfortable, which is nice. The top isn't stabbing into my head, which is good. It's nice and firm. Got a little bit of flex there, which is nice. This is all a nice foam padding in there. The cuffs are foam padded as well. And then, let me just see here. So I'm going to assume, since there's a little cutout here, that this will be for the mic. And you can extend like that. That's cool. So if you've got a big noggin, not that I do, I'll push it right down There we go. So can have the mic in a little bit closer, bend it right in like that. Nice. Cool. This will be really, really cool to test out. So like I mentioned, it is a wired, excuse me, wired headset. So you will need to hook this up, possibly with the mixer unit or straight to your PC. You don't need it, but the mixer unit and the stand just complements it and brings it all together. So yeah, that feels really, really nice. I can't wait to actually, give this a good review and see what I think about it. Well, yeah, like I mentioned, the full review will be on the TechWizTime channel. For now, though, the unboxings of this, the mixer and the stand will be on the Beardicus channel. So make sure you subscribe to both, especially the TechWizTime channel. It's the bigger of the two, more quality production over there. Over here, it's just it's a little bit, one take wonders. So yeah, that's what you get over here. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed that, and yeah, share this with your friends, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. See ya.